this tree stump right here, I used to drive a car on this, between this and the riverbank. That's how much the river ate up the bank. Look how much, all the way down, it ate up the land. It just tore it to pieces. All the way down. It took off, I would say, a good 10 feet. At least. I'll quit walking in a minute. That's what we call the big rock. We used to could get on the big rock from right here. Now it's way out there, so probably more than a lot more than 10 feet that the bank got ate away. The river changed directions too. It's coming towards this land now, and it's going away from that. As you can tell, knocked all that back too. That's how far it got up on the land up here on that side. My parents' house up here in Pacolet Valley. The little houseboat. The water came all the way up to the deck on back. One last look. And just to look how far it came up here. Right about here. It's quite a long ways up here. It washed a big log up here, or part of a tree. And there's where it came up to the deck, as you can tell, the outline.